Hi everyone, it's Kami Trader here, and today we're gonna talk about two indicators that will give you amazing profit and the great results. Moreover, they are very understandable and very easy to use. So we're gonna start as usual with choosing the assets with the biggest payout as much as possible to fit in our screen, and after that we're gonna use the candles for 30 seconds and enable all the timers that we have. Then we're gonna use two indicators, and here is the interesting part came in. So the super trend, and the second one is the Bollinger Bands, and we are ready to go. So let's correct our indicators a little bit. So we're gonna start with the Bollinger Bands. Here we putting 10 and we changing the styles here, also putting the red line and the background. Don't forget to save it. And the super trend we changing too, so we're putting 1 and 1 periods here. So we are ready to start. We're using 1 minute time frame, and let's put $300 for today. I think that's gonna be interesting. So okay guys, so it's time to start trading, and let's find the best asset to start to do like this. So I'm thinking that here we're gonna put for the higher position, and I will tell you why. So first of all, we can see that it's showing us that we're statistically growing, we're pushing price higher, and we don't have any trends for the lowering positions on the market. Also, you can see that we're working with a kind of maximum minimum situation here. So we had the big minimum right here, and we worked with that for the long time, and now we continue to grow this price for another movement to the hiring position, as you can see. Also, the Bollinger Bands showing us this curve very nicely, so you can understand it by yourself, and I think that is just amazing. Even the market are not very stable, as you can see. I think that we in the safe zone, because sometimes when we don't have stability on the market, we use a compensating movement, and guys, we're having the first profit just with these two indicators, so easily and so understandable. I think that is just amazing. So I think I'm gonna clear the drawings from the market, and let's choose the second asset to put our deal. I think that is gonna be very interesting trading for today. Well, this situation is taking a challenge for us. Okay, let's put lower. What we can see, we had the very big maximum right here. It's very clear, you can see it by yourself, and we had the support zone downwards right there. I think that is very interesting, as you can see for yourself. And now we're trying to push price downwards. We don't have the super trend showing us the positions yet because it's very unstable, but we already can see that the Bollinger Bands showing us the lower part of the flow that is very low from the stable market area. Also, as you can see, very unpredictable movement of the candle. Higher or lower, just 1 second timing gonna change all the game, and sometimes it's happening. That is how you do it. And as you can see, yes, we did not have the profit right now because just 1 second changed the movement of the market, but I'm gonna use the martingale strategy, double up using the $600 and continue to push downwards, because as you can see, we're using the compensating movement to push the price downwards to its position. So I think maybe this maximum is not very seen, so let's make like this, and let's make the second one. So I think the movement gonna be going somewhere here with the red one, I think. So as you can see, we still have not very confident movement of the price. We continue to try to push it lower. That is what's happening. We had some support zone, so I think we will go to try try and test them in the nearest future maybe. And we had the one support zone right here, so not very comfortable situation for us, but moreover, even that we had this support zone, we continued to push the price downwards. And guys, we having the second profit in a day, and I think that is just wonderful. I'm so emotionally reacting for that, and I think that is just wonderful. I'm just very happy that these things are very understandable and you can use it for yourself. As you can see, a little technical analysis and a little understanding of the market, also the indicators, gives you the right result. So let's continue and make some more profit. So here's very nice situation. We have zero statement growing for the lowering position right here. As you can see, we have the candles with the tails, with the long tails for the upper side, and we continue to pushing price downwards because that was a very random impulse right there. So now we're gonna put it downwards to the zone of the stable area of the market, and as you can see, this stable area is working right here very nicely. And we have very unstable market today, very changing, very challenging one. So as you can see, the super trend showing us the trend moving to the downwards. Also the Bollinger Bands showing us instability on the market, and these tails, oh my gosh, god, just what's happening. But we're having one more profit right now, and that is just amazing. 1 minute just looking through the indicators and you have the profit. Isn't that perfect history for yourself? I think that is just ideal picture for me. Just 2 indicators, very fastly win. So let's see what's happening on other assets. Wow, same history. Why I'm putting lower? Because here I saw this very interesting window. So as you saw before that, here was the window between the candles, and that is a window that gives the opportunity for price to fall. Also, as you can see, we have the trend for the lowering position from the super trend indicator, and also the Bollinger Bands showing us that the statement of the price is lower than the point of interest of our deal, and that is perfect for us. Yes, a little compensating movement, but I think we're still in the safe zone for our profit, and that's gonna be just wonderful for us, very easily going for the great start right here. As you can see, we have this point from the super trend that's showing us where the trend is going, and guys, we're having one more profit just so easily, just so fastly. I think that is just amazing. So let's talk more about the super trend and make one more deal. I think, as you can see, super trend is showing us where the trend is going right now. For example, here there was a lowering position trend and he is going for higher. All is written by the words, and I think that is just making it more understandable than ever. The Bollinger Bands showing us the flow of the market and where the positions of the real market is. And as you can see, in this deal we had a very long tail from the last candle that showed us we working with a downwards area right here, and that is just wonderful for us. Also, I'm talking today about instability on the market, but that is what happening on the assets with the biggest payout, because the more payout, the more risks you take, and you have to be ready for that. But also you can take a lot of money with the assets with the biggest payout. I already told you in the previous video. And guys, we having the profit again, and I think that is an amazing result for these 2 indicators that just showed us with few minutes you can, with the right indicators and the right technical analysis, you can take your profit very easily from the binary option, and the pocket option is a perfect platform for that. Also, if you have any type of questions about the trading, you can write me in my private messages in Telegram, and I'm gonna happily answer to it. Also, don't forget that I have absolutely free Telegram channel where I give you free signals so you can trade with me online and grow your capital. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel and put the likes on. Bye bye.